Hello and welcome to yet another Power Pack show by Kalkine TV, the Hot Performers. I'm Holly, your host for the day, and today we're going to look at 5 stocks listed on the ASX that investors aged 40 years and older can explore in the year 2021. The stocks in focus today include Fortescue Metals, Rio Tinto, BHP, JB Hi-Fi and Harvey Norman. Now, when a person is in their 40s, the focus shifts more towards child education, any loan, aging parents and retirement plannings. Many experts would agree that investment in stocks play an important role for a good life after your 60s. Hence, these investors generally focus on stocks that offer them reliable sources of income, high dividend yields and stable business. With that said, here are 5 stocks that investors in their 40s can explore this year. And the first one to have a look at is Fortescue Metals. Established in 2003, Fortescue Metals is known for its culture, innovation and industry-leading development of infrastructure and mining assets. The company is also known for its operational excellence, and it has a strong balance sheet and is focused on strategic objectives. The objectives include developing thriving communities, optimizing returns from its operations via efficient management of capital, and diversifying to commodities that support decarbonization. In the financial year 21, Fortescue reported a 74% increase in its revenue. The company announced a final dividend of $2.11 per share. And further, the company has signaled its intention to be a global leader in the battle against global warming. It also aims to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030 in line with this. So all in all, a good dividend stock for investors. And the next one I have a look at is Rio Tinto. This company is into the production of copper, gold, iron ore, coal, aluminium, borates, titanium dioxide, and other minerals and metals. The company operates in 35 countries in mines, smelters, and refineries. And other than these areas, they are also engaged in the sales of offices, data centers, research and development labs with artificial intelligence. In the first half of financial year 21, the company delivered strong results and declared an interim dividend too. Net earnings as well increased by 271%. The company has increased expenses for exploration and evaluation during the period as well, and progressed the greenfield programs around commodities in 19 nations. It's also progressed evaluation projects, particularly Resolution Copper in Arizona and Winner Copper Gold in WA. They are reviewing results from the technical optimization of the infrastructure studies at the Simandou iron ore project in Guinea. So all in all, Rio Tinto looks like a good bet with great growth prospects on the horizon. Moving on now to the third stock in focus, BHP. Headquartered in Melbourne, the world-leading resources company BHP Group's products are sold worldwide. The sales and marketing are led through its Singapore and Houston locations, and they focus on copper for renewable energy, nickel for EVs, potash for sustainable farming, iron ore and metallurgical coal for steel. In the financial year 21, the company delivered strong operational results and reported an 80% growth in its profit. The net debt of BHP declined by 66%, and the total dividend of the financial year 21 was around $3 per share. In line with its aim of keeping the people and communities safe, BHP reported no fatalities across its global operations within the last 2 years. Plus, it noted record production and throughput in several businesses. Further, it completed 4 major capital projects on time and budget. With that in mind, let's take a small break here, but we'll be right back with more stocks that investors in their 40s can explore this year. Tune in to stay updated while on the move.
We will tell you where the crypto craze has reached,
Where the property market is headed next.
what the world is doing to become more environmentally friendly.
Apart from tracking the daily market charter.
Be on top of the latest news and announcements
With Kalkine TV. Welcome back to the Hot Performers by Kalkine TV. Today's list of hot performers includes ASX listed stocks with great dividends for people aged 40 and above. Well, the next one on our list is none other than Harvey Norman Holdings. This company is an integrated retail, franchise and property entity, and its principal business includes selling furniture, bedding, computerware, communications and consumer electrical products. Harvey Norman has been a consistent dividend provider since 2012, and the record net profit after tax and non-controlling interest improved by a whopping 75%. Harvey Norman has a strong balance sheet with total assets up by 14.5% on the previous corresponding period. The growth in these assets was mainly driven by organic growth from offshore store expansion plus a rise in tangible freehold property portfolios. And that brings us to our last stock of today, which is JB Hi-Fi, the specialty retailer of home consumer products. This company focuses on consumer electronics, software, white goods and appliances, and operates from more than 300 stores across Australia and New Zealand. JB Hi-Fi has also been a consistent dividend provider since 2012, and in the financial year of 21, the company noted a 12.6% growth in total sales. Plus, net profit after tax increased by 67.4% and declared a final dividend of around $1 per share, thus bringing the total dividends for the financial year 21 to $2.87 per share. Then in the financial year 22, the company is continuing to execute well and position itself well for the future growth as well. Well, that is all for today's hot performers, but I hope you found the show informative and interesting, and you'll consider checking out these stocks when you get to that age in your 40s. Keep watching Kalkine TV for all such stock-related insights and market action. Holly Shields signing off.